So hello and welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Saujanya. This is the first episode of a very fresh series called as the Sane Travel Talks. ये सीरीज में बहुत सारे इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स पे बातें होने वाली है. Obviously these topics are going to be related to travel only. So I'm very sure that all of us love to travel. Has it ever happened to you that you were so much fed up of your routine life, your routine job, that you felt like leaving your job and take up travel as your full-time career? I'm very sure that you must have been influenced by so many social media influencers और उनकी लाइफ देख के आपके दिमाग में ये ख्याल ज़रूर आया होगा कि यार मेरी लाइफ ऐसी होनी चाहिए. Well, back in 2017, I had similar thoughts about my life. I wanted to take up travel as my full-time career, but I'm very glad that I did not hold on to those thoughts back then. So in this episode of Sane Travel Talks, we are going to talk on this interesting topic that why is that we should not take up travel as your full-time career, especially when you're fed up of your routine life or routine job. So guys, without wasting much time, let's start with the main video. So guys, if you are taking up travel as your full-time career, one of the major sources of income is sponsored travel. Now what happens in sponsored travel is that various sponsors as well as brands are going to approach you and you have to travel to various places or hotels or resorts as per those brands and those sponsors. So basically you will have to travel as per their schedule. So one of the biggest reason why I love to travel is the sense of freedom. I love to explore places at my own will. I love when I go to various places and there is no restriction on me. Now the moment I am going to consider travel as my full-time career and the element of sponsored travel is coming into picture, I think the freedom in travel is going to take a backseat and this is going to create some problems at least for me. And moreover, trust me guys, मेरे experience से बोल रहा हूँ, खुद के पैसे से घूमने का जो मज़ा है ना, वो कुछ और ही है. Taking up travel as your full-time career a few years ago was more easy as compared to today. Today, you can see so many people who are turning into bloggers and vloggers. So basically, your competition has increased. It will never happen today that the moment you are starting your blog or a travel vlog, you will start earning money. It takes a lot of time to attract more and more people towards your blog as well as a vlog. And eventually it takes more time for sponsors as well as the brands to reach up to you. So the gestation period to earn money is a lot more as it was earlier. So even if you are able to beat the competition and if you are able to attract a lot of traffic to your content, the income from such sources is highly uncertain. Moreover, if you have seen the income generation pattern from YouTube or other social media platforms, it is highly fluctuating. At times it can increase or it can decrease or it may even demonetize. In the past it has happened that YouTube was on the verge of getting demonetized. So yes, ऐसे भी हो सकता है. So the income generation capacity from such sources is highly fluctuating and highly uncertain. Moreover, in today's world, having a single source of income is always risky. So I think in today's world, it is very important that we should have at least two sources of income. So I would recommend to you guys that you should look at travel as a secondary source of income in addition to your main profession. Do you know why do you love to travel? Because it takes you away from your routine life. Obviously, this is subjective in nature, but just imagine that travel and content creation itself becomes your routine. Yes, it looks cool from outside, but taking up travel as a full-time career can make travel itself your routine, and I'm very sure that routine in any form is always boring. Now, if you are taking up travel as your full-time career, remember you are not just going to travel, but along with traveling, you are going to do a few other things, which includes creation of content. Now trust me guys, creating content is not that easy and it can be very hectic. Uploading videos on your YouTube channel or your blogs or writing blogs itself can be very hectic and tiresome. Especially there is a schedule which you have to maintain, and if you don't maintain that schedule, there is every possibility that your channel is not going to reach to more number of people. So creating content and traveling together can be very hectic, and trust me guys, it can make you hate travel just the way you are hating your current routine job. So guys, in the end I would just conclude that I am not against this idea of taking up travel as your full-time career, But what I want to say is that don't take a abrupt decision just because you are frustrated with your routine life. Take it step by step. Okay, try to build up your blog or your vlog as well as other social media platforms. Once you have a kind of a fan base or you have your own audience, after that you can decide that whether I should take up travel as a full-time career or no. Because trust me guys, attracting more number of people to your social media platform is very difficult and it's very hectic. So it may happen that during this process you might change your mind. So whatever it is, my advice is that just take it slowly, take it step by step. Don't take an abrupt decision just because you are not liking your current life. Travel as your career can itself be more hectic than your original job which is there in your hand right now. In the end, what we have to do is just travel and explore, whether you earn any money out of it or no. But if you are able to travel, I think that is the most important thing in life. At least for me it is very important. So guys, इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. I hope you have liked the first episode of my series, The Sane Travel Talks. So guys, until next video, bye bye.